Welcome to this Red Jacket Speaker Showcase Roundtable. I'm Palisa Shai, and today I'll be in conversation with Dr. Brenda Harting. By way of introduction, I'm a human-centered resilience speaker. I help organizations align people, systems, and results to build resilient, high-performing workplaces. My work speaks primarily to executives, organizational leaders, and decision makers responsible for people, risk, and business sustainability. Doctor, what is the key idea or theme you speak on?
Thank you, Felissa. My key note address is harnessing the power of epigenetics and recovering your DNA success blueprint. And this is the result of more than 20 years of research, because I learned from the Human Genome Project, we all have a fundamental DNA blueprint that holds the codes and the keys to happiness, wellness, success, and the ability to flourish. But the problem is most of us are disconnected from this power and potential, and therefore lead what I call shadow ego lives of struggle, of negativity, and in the end, destruction. But the positive message is, because of the power of epigenetics, epigenetics is a switch. It can switch it on or off, and we have the control that we can create circumstances within which people can flourish. Or if we just leave it, people will switch off, and then we have a negative environment. So the message I'm bringing is loud and clear. Stop the struggle, get connected, and start living a thriving life.
Wow, this is very interesting. So I'm curious to know what problem does it solve?
The world at the moment, people are struggling, and this is confirmed by the World Health Organization, that has revealed that there's an escalation of mental health issues, emotional problems, the most important being anxiety disorders, depression, stress-related issues, burnout, and PTSD. And this has got a very big impact on society, on relationships, especially on business, because it also impacts the economy. But now the message is clear that we can stop this, and we can turn this around with the right skills, the tools, the mindset. And this is where we do the development. We can even help organizations rewrite the organizational DNA, and therefore we can lay a whole new foundation that leads to health, wealth, happiness, and success.
Out of curiosity, which audience would benefit the most from your work?
Currently, my audience is executives, business leaders, companies and organizations where we help them to rewrite organizational DNA. But this also speaks to people who are in positions of influencing other people. It can be HR developers, teachers, and even parents. The reason is, if we would like to accept this or not, we have influence. I see people as epigenetic factors, not through what we do, but just the kind of person that we are and are becoming. And there's only one of two directions. You can lift people up and open doors, or you can put people down and close the doors. So people who benefit from my work, of the workshops, the books, the training, the courses, and the speaking events, are people who are really committed to making a difference.
Wow, just to wrap up, why you and why now?
This work is the result of many years of research, and it started when I was left paralyzed after a motor car accident, and I had the time of more than a year to study the Human Genome Project. And while I was in traction, I realized we have this wonderful blueprint, and there's a blueprint of health, wealth, happiness, and success. And I started developing, and I realized we can heal ourselves from inside out, because basically this is what we were created for. And I see it as my calling to bring this message to the people, that we can stop struggling and we can start getting connected and start living the lives that we were basically created for.
Thank you, Dr. Brenda. For more conversations like this, aligned to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, connect with the Red Jacket Speaker Showcase series. and discover more voices sharing messages that truly matter. Thank you.